Hey there. How's it going? It's been a week for me. So let's say just get back to our compiler things. And why does my microphone not fit on the table? Like, how is this possible? Okay, so right, what have I been doing last time? Intermediate representation, right? Oh, by the way, I might have forgotten to change the title on YouTube. This is part 3, not part 2. Yeah. Change that to part 3. So yeah, right. Just AR, I guess. I mean, it works. No, Twitch displays my -2 subs in all glory above the chat. Like, 4 more subs to go, and just like progress bar. Like, how is it supposed to? Like, why does it work? It's even the progress bar is like four splits. Anyway, so what was I going to do today? I honestly don't remember. I think we finished IR and then we were meant to do inlining and stuff on it. And forwarding. So let's just take a look at the code. I mean, that's pretty simple. Types functions, function definitions. There now. This has variables, statements. Could maybe actually somewhat move variables out. I mean, into statements. But it's kind of pointless. Type of just check statement type. Right. Statement's pretty simple, just a log. And values are pretty annoying, but like this display. Please UI. What is a variable? What does variable store? Whether it's an argument? Yeah, I guess. Now. And that's no change. So
Yeah, boy.
Hi Jax, haven't seen you in a while. In a little while. So let's, I guess, implement stuff. So that's backend, declaration, definition, or declaration and codegen, I guess. Well, yeah. That's what I've been doing for past like 3 years or something. on my streams. Is any version of it released? I mean, technically, but not practical. No, nothing practical really. It's on GitHub. You can just take a look and use it if you want. There's better way of doing it. But like, it can't do anything yet. It can technically generate C code, but the C code will not compile, so it's pointless. But yeah, we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there soon enough. I mean, I am kind of procrastinating. Like, for it to compile, I need what? Well, I don't see anything here. Oh right, wait. Dependency sourcing this thing. Code that doesn't compile is very useful. You can look at it. Yeah, exactly. If you don't understand Rust, you just compile Rust to C. It becomes a mess, a horrible mess, but you can take a look at it and try to decipher it. Reading Rust is definitely easier. Enjoy your life. Yeah. Yesterday we had what is it called? Last bell ring. Sorry, fair enough. So yeah, it was a day. We also had we also had a concert where all graduates had to go, and like 12,000 of us, 12,000 people in one big concert hall, and 3 hours of loud music and like other things. That was pretty cool, I guess. ALG Noob, hey there, first time chatter. What are you doing? So let's actually get to work. I feel like I didn't sleep at all, except that I woke up like, what, 5 hours ago? 6 hours ago, in fact. Oh, almost 6 hours ago, and like it was fine. I even went for a run. Do you know how to compile C++ code? Well, GCC. Oh, KiCad is. KiCad. Wait, where is KiCad? Oh, here it is. Huh? How could I not notice it? But yeah, just GCC or Clang it, and it compiles. Well, Clang or G++. I don't have G++. I don't think Zig has a C++ compiler, although... No, wait, Zig does have a C++ compiler. It's just killing you, tons of health issues. Stop waiting for your death, that's a horrible idea. What architecture? Source code. It's a source to source compiler that will probably be for a good while. But it's not limited to source, it's designed to be able to compile to like regular targets as well, but it's gonna be source to source until I implement stuff. So yeah, hold on. Let me target them in order. And yeah, hey Lane. Lane1313 over on the YouTube side. Jax. Health issues might be related to sleep because this. Yeah, by the way, I was going to say, include Windows H. It's gonna be tough to compile on Linux. Once I have copied Windows.h into Ubuntu, and I got like 13,000 errors from that, like actually. Windows 11. And then have a virtual machine. Watchdog, what's this? ImGUI, wait. Immediate mode GUI. I don't have those headers either. The dev community has kind of obsoleted the term transpiler, huh? I mean, yeah, fair enough. But like, it's not meant to be a transpiler specifically. Source to source backends were meant to be just a bonus, but like at the end they are what I target most. So yeah, TL help 32, by the way, I have no idea what this is. Mutex, yeah, MGUI, DirectX 11. Yeah, no way I'm compiling this on Linux without a lot of pain. Although it would honestly be nice to be able to compile, to cross-compile C++ with that stuff. Springlet Game Jam, yay! You finished it? Or is it going still? Overlay? Huh? Oh, MGUI overlay, yeah. Right. So yeah, anyway. But it might be possible to compile it, to cross-compile it, but I don't think I have headers. Like, just out of curiosity, I'm gonna do include Windows H, and I can Clang++ test CPP. Actually no, Zig, because Clang from NixOS doesn't cross-compile. Zig must be able to. I'm using Rust, yeah. Yeah, I have basically the same. I mean, I have a lot of experience with C++, probably still more than Rust. But yeah, Rust is... I'm using Rust a lot now. It pretty much phased out C++, although I still use C++ for Arduino stuff. Anyways, so what was I gonna look for? Zig cross compile. I wonder if Zig cross compile can link to Windows.h. Dash target. Dash target. Improve the code. Zig C++ test CPP target x86 64 Windows what is it? I mean, that should work, right? Compiler C. Yeah, it's gonna compile like C standard library in C++, libcxx as well. But like it should be able to, right? Because the compiler is like, it's an amazing piece of software actually. Like, it's actually amazing. That's probably the thing I like about Zig the most. I'm not writing Zig pretty much at all, but I would like to more. I guess. But like, I actually installed it for C++ compiler. I haven't installed for that. So that's gonna take a while, and it's also stream's probably gonna suffer from that. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit for this to compile. Six. Blinking. Oh, sped up. I wonder how long that's gonna take. Like, if it actually compiles with Windows.h, I mean, I shouldn't be surprised, because that's what cross compilation is for. So yeah, what source language am I compiling to? Currently C, although I am working on an IR backend, which is meant to like store code in intermediate representation form. But yeah, currently I'm working more on a C compiler, on a C backend. And I have a concept of backends which are different targets you can compile. Well, not really targets, different backends like CraneLift, LLVM and stuff. Well, I don't have implementation. I was gonna do CraneLift one, so I still have CraneLift in my source tree, but I didn't implement it yet. Well, I implemented it like way older version. Yeah, Steam is suffering a little bit. Like, why is libcxx so big? Why is iOS instantiation CPP, huh? Huh. Oh my god, this is laggy. Music is lagging. I'm sorry for that. I wanna know. Oh, spiked. Oh, we're losing all the frames. I mean, it has caching, right? If I just nice. How does nice work? Oh my god, why is this? Why is it partially in Russian, partially in, well, actually partially in Belarusian? Negative 20, most favorable to process, 19, least favorable. Nice parameter. Nice dash n, 19. Or, well, I guess just dash n. So that would make it nicer. And then we have the command. Or do we? Yeah. Nice. So this is 0. Nice dash n. 19. Bash. Oh no. Launch. Nice. 19. So that's very nice. a very nice process, so this shouldn't take as much CPU usage, hopefully. Although I do not know if this actually works. It doesn't seem to. Like, why does it not inherit niceness? Or does it just spam threads which kill everything anyway? I feel like it's pointless. Oh, by the way, it's still lowering weight. Wait. Is compiler T is compiling? Well, no, but I do have a Godot overlay, so I figured. So I figured this tag would work for me. Yeah, I know. Anyway, where's... Oh, we're linking. Hey. I mean, I'd still need I'm GUI headers. Oh, it didn't link. Undefined symbol win main. Oh wait. Oh my god. Why does it complain about win main? I mean, sure, whatever. Wait, take a look at this. Wait, no. Wait. Why does this not work? I mean, I can try. It does have win main. Just out of curiosity, if this is gonna run, I'll need imguidom. What was the GitHub repo? What was the name of the person? Something with O, right? I don't remember. Thank you for the follow. I do not know why the notification didn't pop up here. Or maybe did M&M just blind. Also, music stopped again. What? Play this instead. Wait, no, I can't play this, huh? Ocornut, right. Need to copy that. Today releasing the screen recorder. Wait, I missed that completely, Jax. For Windows. RT. I mean, I guess I can just git clone this in here. Okay, that's gonna take a while. Depth one. There we go. Okay, so that's a nice process. Let's go to a less nice process that works a little better. So we have that imgui. I don't even know what I need to link. I don't remember. So we need. Oh my god, pragma comment. Oh, that's horrifying. Oh, we also need the JSON thingy. And WRL, what is that? Okay, I don't know if I have DirectX. This will probably not compile. Um, is this? This is the same link, isn't it? Wait, no, it's a different link. Is it the same code though? Chat is actually taking a lot of space. I had to complete a few things. Okay, where is the single header? The single include JSON, JSON FWD. What is FWD version? I don't think I need. So download that. JSON.hpp. Sure. Now this. Where is the copy button? There is no copy button. Or whatever. I can just download this. Also, you didn't even specify the language. Something that's EPP. And next we need AMG UI. So I guess I can just patch this up. Don't worry about the errors. So this is gonna become JSON.hpp. Then I need to what do I need? So I need ImGUI, I guess. Do we need draw? I guess we need this. We probably need that. IMSTB and this. Why is there no like compiling.mv? So we'll copy this into download straight up. Why not? DirectX TK. Huh. So then we'll need oh my god. Stdlib, huh? Okay, no, maybe I shouldn't just copy this. I have no idea how to compile this, apparently. Like, why is there no file that explains it, huh? Right in the root. Give someone state and they'll have a bug one day, but teach them how to represent state in two separate locations, they'll have to be kept in sync and they'll have bugs for a lifetime. That's a great quote. How do I compile you? Usage. The core of TRMGUI is self-contained within a few platform-agnostic files, which you can easily compile in your application engine. They are all files in the root folder of the repository, imgui asterisk.cpp and imgui asterisk.h. I guess. I mean, actually, I can copy the demo, can't I? Please do not remove this file. Oh. From your project message to the person tapped to the list file when interacting with TRMGUI. Integrating sync again. It's the most useful reference code that you and other coders will want to refer to and call. Okay, sure, I'll copy that as well, although I probably don't need it. So let's just copy all those files. So that's from root. I mean, it's gonna duplicate some of them. Dude, why is deleting? You know what? I'm gonna redo that. Let's put that here. And we also need Win32 and DirectX 11. Do I have to use DirectX 11? Backends Win32 DX11. Paste that in here. So yeah, that should work. Now, all those C++ files, I guess I can get rid of test.cpp. Now. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, those are still trash operations running. DirectX TK. DirectX Toolkit. Where do I get that? Microsoft. Wait, that's from Microsoft. Include files. Source files. Is there like a build? I mean, oh, it's gonna be so painful to include. My 2026.zip.mini signature. Tool source code. Huh. So releases are pretty useless. Oh, ain't no way I'm compiling this today. I could try, I guess. Hey, Cuckoo. CMake. Yeah, nah. Can I just ZXCC this entire directory? And then add this as an include, copy the file path. ZX everything with CPP, then we have direct XTK SRC, everything with CPP, and then we also have include direct XTK inc. Windows.h file was found. That's because Windows.h was meant to be lowercase. We have Circle. Okay, Stargo install for Circle. Because this, oh, something. No, stream is not gonna survive this. I guess we'll do it manually. Like, why does it have to be uppercase? Fire my GPU. It's not GPU! It's CPU that's the bottleneck. Oh, MinGW32, huh? Somehow MinGW32 makes Windows.h lowercase, and that is an issue. Yeah, CPU is struggling, and it's struggling like crazy right now. Oops, that should not be hint. So there's that, then we have this and PCH, precompiled headers. Yes, sir, C PCH.h, Windows H, this lowercase. Then we repeat this command, and do you think this will work? I personally don't, but like, what if it does? Maybe. Yeah, stream's gonna struggle. DirectX must. Yeah, no, I do not have DirectX. Oh wow, it still generates warnings even though. Wait, what's happened? What? It exited, but it still generates warnings, huh? Or errors, I guess. Yeah, DirectX math.h does not exist. Because I do not have DirectX. There's... Oh, this is a separate library, huh? Bro. An inline SIMD C++ linear algebra library. Inc. So yeah, I mean, I need just to include. If this like actually works, I will be very surprised. So we add this to the command. Like, if this actually compiles even, I'll be very surprised. But I mean, if it compiles, it will probably run, right? That doesn't only work for Rust, it works for C++ as well. And my CPU is suffering like crazy. Yeah, no, I do not have WRL and also backslash. And more DirectX 3D. This module only supports Xbox One exclusive apps. What? Okay, yeah, no, I'm not compiling that on Linux. As fun as this was, no. I don't have DirectX. I don't think I can get DirectX from that. Windows 11. I'm on Linux. I don't have Windows. I'm not rebooting into that. So I'll get back to work. Forwarding. So that's, wait, why am I implementing CodeGen? So super backend. That stores stuff. Declare self other or backend impl or callback and for what? For what? For each type, first of all. For send error code. It's not gonna work. I'm on Linux, and I need like a lot of libraries to compile this, which I do not have access to. There, like DirectX 11, for example. If you are willing to remove the dependency on DirectX completely and like all its dependent libraries, then maybe. But like, what's the point if you're targeting Windows? So declare that Oh wait, impl reference. Yeah, that's where I'm at. For type, first of all, type in self types, back and OpenGL. I mean, yeah, OpenGL would work probably. Actually, do I have OpenGL headers? So Windows H include OpenGL.h. I don't know, like just out of curiosity again. OpenGL header. Sorry. Oh, is it gl.h? It's gl.h, isn't it? Just gl.h. cpp test cpp target Windows. Nigel Lurk. Have a nice lurk. Yeah, no, I do not have a GL either. Because I'm cross-compiling. I mean, although it is kind of weird to not have OpenGL in a cross-compiling thingy. Because, like, I cross-compiled Rust before and it went perfectly fine. I think I also cross-compiled C++, although I'm not sure. Because that's suffering. With Zig, it does get pretty easy. But, like, still doesn't work. No, I don't. Windows sucks. Okay. Hot take. I mean, not that hot even. Hash map. Is this CC iter sync? I have to do this right. Name type. Or actually, I need parentheses. Hi Stony. What is this page? Heim. This page was earned by signing up for a Turbo free trial or purchasing Turbo subscription during any May. Oh, with Crunchyroll on Twitch from May 14th to 20th. Wow. Loose. It's okay to play games. I mean on Linux? Depends. Steam works perfectly fine. And then I remember how much I suffered to run peak on this thing. But I mean, like, if you're not using NixOS, Steam will probably work well because of Steam Deck and Valve putting a lot of effort into making sure stuff runs. So let's name that type. I need to clone those things. Could not resist getting it. Type clone. GTA 5. I have no idea. I have never seen GTA 5 in action. Or actually, have I? Maybe I have. Maybe my dad. Maybe my granddad played this. Expected bool. Oh right, because I need to return true from this thing. So that's a loop. Then we have so types. Then we have functions, and then we have function definitions. Oh, and also macros. Ooh, how am I gonna do macros? Actually, macros don't matter, do they? Types. Or do they? Well, maybe they do matter. Well, actually no. Macros are impossible to transfer properly. Forced to deal with macOS now. Build your iOS client app. Yeah, Apple is another can of worms. Or what do you call it? I mean, do you have Windows? If not, you can get a Windows VM pretty quickly, probably. Name params, return type attributes. Signature params, signature return type, signature others. So set and have function decals. Function bodies. function or definitions, I guess. Name body. That's a body, right? Daily drivers Windows. Yeah, many people are transitioning to Linux. Not you, I guess. But I mean, that's fair. You can't download things via PowerShell. How is PowerShell meant to download things? Like the get component stuff? Or what is it called? I don't remember. Like back when I was on Windows, I hated PowerShell for some reason, because it's like a crude re-implementation of Bash. Or like a more standard shell where you type ls instead of dir, like actual. So backend. Oh wait, that's declaration, and now we have button define self backend impl or cogen backend cogen, we'll name it instead. Wait, this is external, or is it? So like that. Oh, what's this? Okay, so here I need to declare stuff, right? Or define stuff, but I also need a way to quickly... Also, where did the music go again? Or did I mute it? Huh? If I'm pressing... Oh, here it is. Okay, so... Oh, that's also lifetimes. I don't care about lifetimes in here, because that's macro stuff. Oh... Can I just... that. Clone... Oops. Clone... Yeah, cloning sucks a little bit, but whatever. So that's declaration, that's cogen. I need, like, I don't really need that. In reality, well, in reality, I want a different kind of thing. Actually, no. Well, no, I need inlining. I need function definition inlining. So let's go into cogen. So there's cogen and there is also IR. Do I need IR? Well, create IR body. Open cogen self into cogen impl mutable impl or cogen backend, and then we also have variable substitutions, or actually arguments. So pass in variables as arguments, or like pass in values as arguments, or what? I guess I should pass in args like as a vec of a symbol, for example. That should probably work. So for a statement, or actually for variable in self variables, wait, no, reference. So I'm gonna declare first. I don't like this approach, but like whatever, I guess. I like to sort them more. No, if variable is an argument, then it's special. Then I need to substitute the name. Wait, no. Wait, no. Args are variable. Back of Oracle variable. Where's the Oracle code variable? So if it's an arg, then I will. So if it's an arg, then I will use the one from args, and also it should be a slice probably instead of a vector. So let mute variable map hash map, or actually not hash map, just a vec with capacity self variables length, then variable map and args index set iter enumerate. Oh right, okay. It's not Python. I'm just gonna check it. Oh, here we go. So now, so we add. Oh wait, push. It's not Python. Why am I writing it like as if it was Python? So yeah, in this case we just push an arg. Otherwise we do variable map to push. So I need to declare it. Codegen declare, or wait, no, that's wrong. Or codegen body codegen. So I guess I could use or codegen SOC. After all, so that declare variable type variable ty clone, I guess. So that's variables, and for statement in self statements. Ooh, and we also need let mute value map a vector or with capacity self statements len. So it's gonna be vector of options self statements. Oh, statement. So statement. I just statement. Replace. Oh, I need to convert place as well. Or do I? Wait, so variables. I need to convert. Yeah, I need to convert place because I need to convert variables. So let's create a closure. Convert place equals closure place match place. Variable, I'm gonna return variable map double 0. Then here global is deref. So deref needs to convert value. A global doesn't care. Field needs to convert place. Field place is gonna be place INDX. It's gonna be OC place field convert place IDX. Yeah, recursive closures do not work. Who would have thought? Let's make convert place a regular function place OC place. Then we have variable map. Hold on, why? Actually, why? No way Rust doesn't have recursive closures. Ow. Oh, this is horrible. This is horrible. Yeah, I mean, I guess you can pass it as an argument, but that defeats the purpose of it being able to capture stuff. Like, I mean, I guess I could create a variable. Wait, that defeats borrow checker. Hold on. I mean, I guess I can create a ref cell, but like, come on, that's stupid. So I guess yeah, just function. Convert place variable map a slice of variable, and then we'll also need value map. Value map a slice of value, but that's gonna be option. And that's gonna return new place. What's wrong with you? Oh, it match place, right? Of course. So variable map. Expected place found variable. Yeah, right. See place variable. Variable. Then we have tref value. See place. Not palace place tref value. Actually, I'm gonna move this in here. Call it global place at OC place global. So gref will be value map of value 0 unwrap or take unwrap. Also, this is mutable then. Then we have this expected place from box place. So this derefs and this boxes. Alright, and we also pass in variable map and value map. That must be known. It will be known. Comment. We'll do codegen.comment. Assign. It's gonna be codegen assign place value. Convert place. Value map. Value 0 to take unwrap. This feels horrible already. And also we need indices. Either enumerate, and I did this mistake again. So convert place expects variable map and value map. I should probably simplify this. Maybe with more closures. So variable map is just initialized here. Value map, then we'll have let value CVT value. I guess convert value would be okay. So do I have to take place or shouldn't? Right. In reference, it's right. So anyway, convert value, which is OC value. So I'm gonna return value map value 0 unwrap take. Wait, reverse. Take first, unwrap second. So that, and that returns OC value. Okay, whatever. Back of OC value. Oh, it's optional. So convert values, there's that. Now let CVT place equals a closure place OC place. And value also, I guess I can just do use size. Place OC place, and also it's gonna take CVT place. I mean just closure. So then I'm gonna move this in here. So that thing must return place, a new place. Out. So variable is just gonna be. Also, I'm gonna do CVT variable. 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 Add break. Let's see, variable. That is copyable. Variable map. Variable 0. Just copyable. Then place global symbol. It's basically cloning operation. there's variable. Variable CVT variable. Yeah, that's simple enough. But I can also get rid of set and just put into, can't I? Get set. So that's a global. Do we have place from symbol? No. Dream, but no. No, dref. So dref is just a dref value. CVT value 0. Do not clone it. Then field is just the same field of CVT place, takes place, and CVT place. It's a box. sref. So then we rebox it and then we do index. Type must be known. Impl fn mute that takes reference to OC place and also wait. How do I specify this type? F or F. Wait, is this possible? Mute ref. Is it gonna work? Oh wait, impl. Bounds cannot be used. If only. If only. So that's a pain. How do I create a recursive closure in Rust? Hi. There, we're on the YouTube side. We just turn it back into a function. Like the fact that Rust doesn't have recursive closure, even C++ has recursive closures, like why? Not even as an experimental feature. But okay, then we have CVT value, which is ref to impl fn value use size. And then we'll have CVT variable impl fn mute variable of C variable, and I did just swap those. This one went in another order. The other order. So place CVT value. So this is mutable, and this is just a fan. This doesn't be here. Then match place. What do you mean? What's wrong now? Oh, it's an extra packet. So now this takes. Thank you for the follow. Over on the Twitch side now. So CVT value here, CVT variable here. Oh, and this returns a place. So that assign CVT place reference to CVT variable, mutable reference to CVT value, and this is the order I'd like them to be in. guess this would work. Oh, right. This also returns OC variable, and this returns OC value. Dmitriev, right, swap those now. Now, cannot borrow CVT values, mutable is not declared as mutable. Let it be. And then this is gonna be CVT value. Value 0. Okay, that works surprisingly. Value, and those are sizes. UF value size. And also I should probably import that as single letter, so that's at least a little smaller, a little shorter. Now you're angry. Oh, expected this found value, so those do not do anything. This one though. Value map idx equals sum of this. Oh, cannot borrow it as mutable more than once. Damn, that's an issue. That's an issue. Oh, come on. I guess I get rid of those. Variable map. So this is a slice of variables. Value map. So this is a mute slice of optional values. Ah, that's annoying. So this variable, instead of this we do variable map variable 0 input. This is value map. This is value map. Now here I have to variable map value map value map of this take unwrap. This is tiring. It's also fought here somehow. Because there's no size for beacons. Next we have place, read place, read CVT place variable map. Different is live value map. Reference place. There's that. Same thing but reference. Call. Actually, I feel like I can do better than Rust FMT here. Only this indentation. Oh, mutability. Mutable. Mutable. Call. Value. Values. Call function. Or func. Args. Has red val. But do I actually care about hazard val? Because I can just do that and then couldn't call. Call's just gonna return an option, so I don't even need to wrap it. Convert. Listen bit. Here. Call, convert, please, and also it did put it on the new line, but whatever. So we call function, which is a value. Args are values, and that's a pain to convert, but whatever. So let fun be this, then let args be args either map collect oh racing the beam, thank you for the raid. So did you catch the beam? How was your stream? Fun cards. I didn't need a semicolon here, but like whatever. I like it better. Hello. So this is return. Return should be simple. Code generator value map value map. Come on, map. Value dot zero. Take unwrap. All those unwraps. Value moved as ref. Intrinsic. Or do I do them separately? Do I do intrinsic as I and then I? Yeah, that's horrifying. Oh, and C's. Why did it go to the... Oh, it can't decide on which C to go to. Oh, that's pain. You're demolishing all of them at the same time. And one of them is, like, hidden. Where's my cursor? Here. Here you go. You can now reach this one. Oh, they're disappearing. No, you couldn't. Oh, it's you again. Hi. Oh, hold on, no shield mode. Cancel. Just accidentally press this button. Reminds me how I accidentally banned people on YouTube. Because, like, cat UI is stupid. No, I'm not doing this ever again. You're all fine. Don't worry. AB. Yay, second got redeemed. Intrinsic. Oh, was it raining? Why does it feel like it's gonna rain outside? This looks amazing. Captain Onosa was defeated. Yay. You received 100 HP or XP. There. Go to level 9. My latest upload is 1 year ago. Yeah, cause this is not my main channel. Flashy Windows. Oh, right. Battles. Battles are Windows. Battles are the emulator of Windows. Cuckoo destroys Windows. So yeah. My main channel... Well, if my second channel is Infinite Coder 02, what's my main channel? What could that be? Probably Infinite Coder 01. Yeah, you can search for that, obviously. So yeah, it's I actually uploaded this winter, and I have Infinite Coder 03 genius. Like, I thought about registering Infinite Coder 03 somewhere just randomly, just for fun, and then streaming from there. Finite Coder 01. Yeah. Oh, also this one as well was one of my ideas. Also, welcome back, Nigel. If you're back. No, I have... For YouTube I only have 2, and for Twitch I have 2. For Twitch I have Coders Chatter, which is my bot, and this channel. And for YouTube I have my second channel, where I'm streaming and uploading video translations and like other stuff. And oh my god, it's raining. It's raining heavily outside. That's lovely. So yeah, I upload translations and random stuff to my second channel just as a place to put videos and share stuff. And I have my main channel where I upload videos, main videos, like actually edited videos. And yeah, I need to get better at editing, because like I'm horrible at it. Not that I'm horrible, I just don't know how to. I don't know what to edit. Like, what should video contain? So yeah, I upload like actual videos to my main channel, and also I have done live streams on my main channel, but that was an event. And I might do more live streams on my main channel if there will be events. But yeah, on this channel, like, my latest upload is actually a stream VOD. So like, yeah, that's pretty pointless. Anyway, intrinsic, let v is a closure. I'm gonna make the quick closure for this in here, because like here I want to convert places, hopefully. Value, and then match intrinsic I add AB. Thank you for the follow racing meme. Let CI just to make it shorter, add AB. Yeah, I move AB, CI move AB. This looks horrible, and I must split this up, but like I will at some point later. There you go. There you go. What is this? Pixel value found ref value. Oh, and right, and this is gonna be value map idx equals sum of this intrinsics return values only. Oh, and this is gonna be B. Single letter names are horrible. Look at this code. Don't use single letter names. Look at this. OC value. Wait, no, I can do. I mean, I can do use size. Do use size here. Just moving stuff. Or actually, since this is probably gonna be inlined, I can just do that. As mutable, it's not declared as mutable. Make it mutable. Cannot mutate immutable variable, make it mutable. Because this is a mutable thing. Also, like, this is a mutable reference. This is a mutable reference. It could be in an immutable value or variable. What's wrong with me? So this does actually not. It like actually doesn't have to borrow itself as mutable. But I am gonna keep it because what if it does? Because that could be useful. Or could it? Like if state resets anyway. Doesn't make sense to make itself mutable. Because it borrows backend as mutable here. So yeah, that will, I will have to change a few things because of that, in backends. So it's an intrinsics. In here. And now. Oh. Self statement. Self is a reference, it can't be borrowed. But self is a ref. Oh, this is gonna make it a little worse. Because self is a and is an immutable reference to a mutable reference. And you can't mutate a mutable ref. Okay, so apparently this doesn't work. Apparently. Where is it? Of course it's Rust, of course you can't share an immutable reference. Okay, missing dogs, it's fine, I'm gonna restructure it. So set. Now if I go to Rust C backend, and in here, so I create IR. So let me rename this to IR, and then I create regular backend, and then IR dot declare backend, and then IR dot codegen backend, and then I'm gonna print backend, and I actually need to implement the codegen function now. Real quick, so args are just arg variables. So backend function name, and then so body will do codegen. So we have function, and then we have args. Ref name, mutably borrows that, and now args. So for args we'll need signature, self functions, get sync name, unwrap. So that's a signature, params. So what I really need is just an iota, or what's it called? Integer, or well, just numbers from 0 to this value, a range. Yeah, actually, like I can just do that. Map index. Or do we have argvar? Just thing.arg. No, we don't. Values. Zero-based argument index. Yep. So that should work. Let args equals this. To a vector. Now, this should in theory work. This should in theory generate the same code in C. As if we, well, somewhat the same at least. Ordering might be different. Compiler panicked. Index out of bounds. Great. Line 75, and that's, I assume, local. Wait, no, that's value map, huh? Oh wait, it's assignments. Because I didn't do with capacity, I did with I need from elements. New then value map resize with a function. Can I do from a function? I mean, I guess could do an iterator or something. So this is a generator. Okay, so now I just need none here. Oh yeah, that's it. I wonder, like, I can put an variance here, but can I put, like, yeah, no, this is a value, this is not a function, because that's not a tuple variant. So yeah, here we go. This works. Now I just need to make it a little prettier and actually use inlining properly. Ideally, I would inline values into variables. So I will want metadata. I want variable meta. Like, I want to do some optimization already. Variable pub meta. Variable metadata from analysis. From body analyze. Analyze. So do I need, what do I need here? Types, maybe types. I mean, I don't really need types, but ideally I do. VB meta. Okay, so variable meta. Oh, where do I put the struct? Mode analysis. Pub use analysis. Variable meta. For now, just regular analysis rest. Get me in. Here we go. This will store lifetime or start use size and use size when, or I guess first use, last use. I'll talk later. First use, last use. What else do we need? Mutable, or like assigned once or something, or if it's like if it was ever assigned. So for an argument, you would have initialization happen whatever. So this I'll call it mutable. So in order to get this, we will need to check whether it's if it's an argument, then it must have no assignments. If it's on the other hand not an argument, it must have exactly one assignment. However, this assignment might come in form of mutably borrowing every single one of its fields once exactly, and that's an issue. So like why I want mutability check is to inline variables which are immutable to their direct values. Actually, that's impossible. That's impossible to do correctly. So if a value is a read of a variable, I don't need to create this variable. I just wanna avoid generating way too many assignments and way too many variables than needed. And it's getting hot in here. And I also need all those as well. Come on. Clone, copy, debug default, partial QP, partial hash. Yep. So, what do I do? What do I do? I mean, let's use it, I guess, first. Let's make it usable. Forwarding. So we have this thing. So this is pretty simple. And then we have body cogent and arguments. So argument values like values or variables if there's a function, because like in this case. So that's whenever I inline a function, I need to create a variable to put value in. But if the value is already a variable, like that's an issue because I can't check. I mean, I guess I could enumerate values. Yeah, you know what? Where is it? You ordering is an issue. Like a read operation. Cogent. So I could, instead of read and reference operations, I could make value an enum, which would take, which would have read reference and like, and then like a native value which is returned by function calls and intrinsics. And also like all the constants would fit in there. But I know that feels like annoying. Another num feels annoying. Like I have place already. And place... Yeah, it's kind of inconsistent. So like place is an enum. Reason is... is there a reason? Is there a reason? Like, it's pretty well defined. Values, there are many more values than places, so you can easily define place, but like, yeah, I know. So yeah. I guess let's just continue on. Place is pretty well defined and also a few variants, but it has been a bit annoying to deal with because of all those things. So yeah, anyway, analysis. Do I implement this right now? You know, I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna get rid of this for now. Move that. So let's focus on forwarding. On fixing this mess. So here, Cogent. Cogent's pretty simple. I just would like to split it up and move this much somewhere else. It's like statement.cogent. And it would take convert value, convert variable, and would return optional. Yeah, actually that would work. Impl create everybody, impl create ir statement. Looks like that. Public function cogent self value get value cvt value is actually this is not going to be public, this is going to be private. And then I can do value. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do functions equal fn. So this is a function which will take a value and return a new value, and then cvt variable, variables first for some reason, and cvt value can be mutable. Impl fn, which will take MC variable and produce a new variable. And I guess instead of cvt I should use the word map, because that's mapping. Map variable, map value. Then it just takes this entire thing and put it in here instead. You can unindented once, so that's a nice bonus, but I'll have to replace it with self. I don't have to, but like I will. I want to. Oh, and by the way, yeah, I forgot we should run Clippy Pedantic on this thing after I finish talks. Self. So if I'll figure the stream would be too short, I can do that. Alright, Kudgen, body Kudgen, utref. So comment simple enough. Assign is convert place. Yeah, places are pretty annoying to convert. You know. So instead of that, we have those two functions. So instead of that, we can do map variable, and then this is map value. I wish this would this like feature worked, where you can replace it. And this is map variable, map value. Map value. Oh, taken rapid. Shouldn't be here. Expected regular variable, deref set. So there's that. Oh, info. Incompatible. So convert place, map variable, map value, and I realize I need to have those, borrow those, because then I'm gonna move them out and it's gonna be annoying to deal with. Actually, is this clonable or copyable? Oh, refs implement it, so I don't have to add refs in here. I can just do mute like that. Value, value. This thing is used extensively. Oh, and this is gonna return none. So this no, this returns some. Resum. This thing expects an option of value. Activity place map variable, map value. So that works, I guess. A reference, same thing, just the sum. Place same thing. Oops. call. So that, and also I can rename convert place to map place, I guess. Because this is just map value and map. This is just pulling maps. So then here args. This is a ref value, exactly what I need. Map value. And the call is also exactly what I need. Now also I couldn't see the inline both. Oh, I can inline both. That's nice. Return is return and then none. If only there was a unit to none like function. Dot into. Imagine you could convert. Like, wait, that could actually be possible. Like if it could actually be implemented. Unit into an option would return none, but like no. Nobody would do that, right? Map value. Oh, this is nice. So instead of v, we have map value. Here, map value. Here, CI is CI. And this is just sum by default. But I can also return none from it. In case I need. So that's a little nicer. Code gen this statement into another block. Another OC block body. Mapping all values and all variables and values. Next we have our body codegen, which will just do statement dot codegen, and I can now do with capacity here. With capacity len, and then I can just do value map dot push this, and this will take codegen map variable map variable 0, then value will take value 0, value map value 0, take unwrap or else panic value ID stuff which I need to look up. Can borrow to more than mutable. Oh, wait. So let value equals this optional and value pushed. No, I just need to look up the message I usually use, so that's in codegen. It's non codegen in the IR codegen. Imagine like in a few years you type codegen in here, codegen, and then there's like 1,000 files for you to look through. So IR codegen. invalid value ID. Invalid value ID value 0, but I put this here. There's that. Now index. I do not need indices anymore since I'm pushing all of them. And indices are like stored in the map. And that would also prevent use of undeclared variables or undeclared values. Although it would make it worse. Or actually, you know what I can do? I can do get in here. Dot flatten. Flatten ref. Oh. I guess I can just map. Or flat map, which is called and then option as ref, because this value map is vector of options and get will return option of borrowed option. Right. Or get mute, and if it's sums, then option take. Here we go. And then I take again, so I take out of first one, then I take out of the second one. Either way to make it nicer. I don't think so. So that looks pretty nice. Condense this body into another body cogent, mapping all argument variables to args. Types must be the same, which it doesn't check. Should I check? Maybe I should check. Maybe I should check. But I mean, not really. So there's cogent now. Declaring cogent. Functions into this another or cogent backend. And just declare all symbols from this IR into in another conjunct in. So this is declaration. This is declaration backend. This is cogent backend. Oh, I'm gonna call into. Why not? So this looks good. Oops. Come on, yes. So there's that. I just need ACF now, which I don't yet have. But it seems to generate stuff, and I do actually want to make use of this already in Rust C frontend or Rust C. That's good. Well, yeah, in Rust C frontend, in intrinsics. So declare cogent. All of that. Yeah, no. Instead of this, now I have another thing, which ideally I'd use a language frontend for that, and I will once I implement C frontend or something like that, and add starts soon, so we gotta hurry up. So instead of declare and Codegen separately, I mean, actually I do kind of want them separate. So for now those functions are gonna be separate. So I'm gonna create a fan public function. Intrinsics. This will return orco IR. Orco IR. Orco IR backend. This will create that backend equals orco IR back and new. Oh. Yeah, I mean, oh hey, this Stefan H or Stefan. What are you doing? What brought you here? Oh wait, declare back and this will be refactored soon, just as a proof of concept. I mean, this works. You're also rookie. What does this word mean? Rookie. Oh, beginner. Are those just synonyms, or is there like any context thingy? Well, I'm not a beginner, as per se. I've been programming for a while now. So yeah, right. Where do I use them? In Codegen Model-S here. So this. So this is a function name. Now I just need this function. So instead of a call, I inline call. Actually, this would be useful if I could inline call. So it would be something like backend of inline call. Then we're gonna have this input, and then we're gonna have parameters, which are sadly values, not variables. Self-Codegen read. I won't need that. And that would also take where to put this. Oh, and break self-Codegen. So I will do that, but first I need to pass this in somehow. So this is an Codegen context, which has it has nothing. So down below in here in Codegen, I take the Codegen backend, take items, intrinsics, orco IR. Actually, what I could make this static. Make this static, make this lazy. So static. Do we have one slog, one cell, all that stuff? Let's go back and Orco IR back and static. Also Orco, well, that's gonna be a one cell. That's been included in Rust standard library, right? It's std cell one cell, but we also have one cell in scope somehow. So that thing, a cell which can nominally be written to only once. So, without copying or replacing it, like cell. Cell, a mutable memory location. Creates a cell containing given value, const function. Set the contained value. How does this work? How does this work? Hold on. Is this like... Wait, how does std cell like actually work? Type T. Interior mutability, but that's like not a ref cell. Or does this like actually behave? Wait, you don't... You do you... Yeah, you don't need... Writes are basically atomic in single-threaded context. Swap, replace into inner, because you cannot get a mutable reference to inner value. So yeah, one cell, just the same thing, I guess. So this will be one cell of a backend. std cell, one cell, new, and then we'll do backend dot get or init, so self or function. So this will return a backend like this, so that I don't have to pass anything. Get or init, then we take function, just like that. So that's another static reference, right? One cell can be shared between threads safely. Oh, I need one slog. Right, that makes sense. std log, or std string one slog, I guess. One slog thing. So there's that. Intrinsics. Now I can do create intrinsics, and by the way, I should probably you public use intrinsics create intrinsics inline call. Now I'm just gonna create this. That's in forwarding. So the body, there's cogent, and then there's like singular line call. And oh my god, this function signature, it doesn't use infiltrate thingy. Which, why not? Cogent impl new graph into, ha. Name, symbol, params, values. So that can just be a slice, or no? No, it can't. Level own slice as a vector. Also, like move this here. Qualifies or symbol. So that inline cogen1 function into this to this thing into or theme body code, and I can do this as well. Now takes name and params and returns an option of value so then we're gonna go ahead and so we're gonna go ahead and go basically do that but differently. Let's signature. Well, do we really need signature? We don't really need signature. Let's do let function. Self functions, and it does not inline inner functions, so that's something I should work on at some point. To do important inline inner function calls and other dependencies on this back end. So I actually need a map symbol here as well, and it also should take symbol types, expected symbol type or expected symbol kind. So map symbol for place and the map something else. Oh, and map like types for type. And like the suffering. Well, there's just a lot of work. A lot of work. So oh, and all return paths. Wait. How do I join return path? Oh, function inlining. That's hard. So yeah. How do inline returns? Which should become a single value. If there is one return, we can just use this value. Hopefully, crossing fingers, it won't be destroyed in the process. Like maybe I should use SSA or something. Like variables are kind of SSA. You can assign to them. Like I'm saying, variables are kind of SSA. You can assign to them. Like what? Makes total sense, you know. I mean, in reality, ideally you wouldn't assign to them. Besides first assignment, and then you just mutate fields. But like I have no way of enforcing that. Maybe I should. Maybe I should lock out, lock variables out of places. If I do that, what's gonna happen? So if I get rid of variable from place, bad things will happen. So I'll only allow field of variable. You know, that's completely wrong. I'm keeping that. So, if there's one return, if there's one return, I have value. I just use its value. If there are multiple returns, I create a variable for return value. And like, yeah, variables. This is gonna, so there's gonna be another issue where we unnecessarily create a variable and then just move it once. Move it and forget it. But ideally I'd find a way to fight this. Ideally. Ideally I'd find a way to like completely avoid this. It's like merge variables. Could be avoided by passing a variable to put value into, but or I guess I could just put it on optimizer. It's not that big of a deal to have multiple variables, many variables from many things. Anyway, so return codegen return. So this function ideally would take many settings or many callbacks. Callback for return, callback for global, and oh yeah, that's gonna be pain. Because you can have a reference to a function, which means while you're codegening, you might need to clone a function over to the other thing. And well, that's an issue. So it's gonna be next to impossible. Because like sometimes you must loading now. Yay. So inline call. I guess I'll just add a callback. Like we have many callbacks here. Let's just add another one. Just one. 2 hours instead of 30 minutes. Happens to all of us. So this is gonna be codegen return, which is gonna be a function. Ooh, so maybe that should be a function mute. It will take a value. Oh, this is also. Wait, this thing. So I can hard code it here. And like put the callback here. Come on. And then I'll move this out. Map variable. Let map variable. Or actually, I'll move this out instead. Map variable, because I might need it. No, I will need it. and then if it's a return, IR statement return value equals statement, then I'll have a separate thing and continue at the end. A value map push none, because this instruction will not generate a value. Originally wouldn't. So in here I will just code generate return, and this function will also take codegen because it can't borrow it, or else it will be or else Rust's principles wouldn't work. Input rate is not allowed, and the parameters of event rate. Oh, I guess I do this. So this codegen return will take codegen, and it will take map value or actually value map value. Just a blip. And yeah, return will also take option of value. Setting adjusting signature, but it does borrow stuff. Value is an option reference. Oh, I have ref it. I need to ref it. The value can't be copied. So that there's that. Next we need to provide the codegen return. CG value, CG return value. Just get rid of that. Okay, so that's return. I would honestly do that, but it won't let me. Whatever. So there's that. Now in here, function. Just do that. Then body codegen or body, I guess. So unwrap. Ideally, it also replaces by Nick. Wrap, or else. I mean, this is technically impossible, so we'll pass here, but here it is possible, and it would be a mess up. On the trying to inline an undeclared function name and undefined. define, because it might be declared. I don't really care, like here at this point. Body code gen, where body is an occupied entry. Use, well, let's code gen, pass code gen here. Args, it's also arg, not params. So it's vec of values. So this will take a slice of variables. So I just either or into iter map arg Trojan read, wait, no, Trojan mktemp arg mktemp takes value, arg is value. Can I just do that? No, I don't think I can. This won't create a closure. Method named cogent found for struct in the current scope. What do you mean? IR body cogent. It's not even a trade thing. Wait, this function signature. This should be function definitions. It's also a map. Now expected reference slice. We have a reference to map, so we need to collect this into a bag first. Next, so there's that. Next, and yeah, return. For return, we either create, well, we just create a variable because we don't know ahead of time how many returns there are. I guess I could count, and it's not that hard even. But then I'd need to move this value out into the wild and reuse it. So yeah, creating a variable would be easier. And I already agreed to I already agreed to mess up variables and let optimizer handle that. Like, see, that's why you do SSA. So cogent declare var type. I need return type. Declared function self functions signature. So we have signature and body. Now body cogent. So signature return type, and it's like it's weird. Ooh. This will also need to be mapped. Hey, hold on. So this is RT. So this is like, it's weird how I don't need function signature for almost anything. Because types are already inferred. So anyway, ritual. Let me real quick do cg assign. Ooh, and I also need to go to I don't know how to do that. With control flow. Return also impacts control flow. Ooh. Yeah. Anyway, let me play your game. Parentheses drive me crazy. Alright. Gives Nigel a lisp. That's for Lisp Jam. So that's the point. Ooh, that's a menu. I like the UI. Although it's blurry. Plushy Plan 9. Oh, you're not gonna see plushies. Glenda. That's the same thing. But yeah. How to play? Wait. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Although yeah, makes sense. Although I would make it move with the cursor. And also, is this offset? Or am I crazy? I feel like this is way to the left. Maybe I'm crazy. But yeah, also it feels blurry. If I full screen this. Yeah, the UI feels blurry, including the text. Don't know why. Complete as expressions will show up by your steering wheel. Oh my god. So that's what drive means. The PNG scaled up. Oh. Parts of UI are like you should fix that. Expressions will show up by your steering wheel. Complete them by switching gears. Corresponding to the parentheses needed. Oh my god. Like, this is crazy wordplay, I feel like. Reverse gear to go back one parenthesis. Click on the gear to rotate the parentheses on each... What? Okay, that does not explain much. Oh my lord, what is this? Oh, I'm trying to... Oh wow. Good job. Wait, hold on. Hey. Are there keyboard controls? I love keyboard controls. And this is hard to... Wait. Where's the reverse? How do I reverse? Is this reverse? No. Where's reverse? How do I go back? No. What's no? There should be keyboard control. And also, like, why wouldn't you show this on here, right? On the 5-gear cars, the bottom right. I feel like on all cars I have ever seen it was on top left. Or bottom left. Like, this is actually the layout of a manual car my dad used to drive. Yes, I know it's for keyboard controls. Yeah, but like there should be Google Images. Okay, I'm not gonna name it. I don't remember. 5-year. What is it called? What's the thing called in English? Transmission. Manual. Right. I guess. So yeah, I had that, or actually not. I had that thing. That's like that's the car my dad used to drive. And also like, is the challenge that those characters are like here instead of here? Is this part of the challenge? If it's not, then I would move it. Yes. Also, it doesn't help that those are basically invisible. Oh my god, this the black overlay completely. What is the black overlay? Oh, that's horrible. Like, it catching up is gonna be so annoying. Eh, eh. That's the game. Yeah, but the game shouldn't be annoying. What is this? Oh, what? What is rotate? How do I rotate? As shown as Control H. Oh wait, what, it shuffled? Huh. Are we looking at the stock image? We're looking at Nigel's car. Oops, it's an accident. Cooperate free, yes. Oh, that's so annoying. Like, no, maybe. Oh wait, let's move down. Maybe you should make it so this thing moves without me having to press the mouse button, at least. It would make it like 1,000 times nicer, and I messed it up. Wait, I messed it up twice. Eh. Oh, now it's impossible. Hold on. Clicking on a gear. Where are gears? Like, what does this mean? Clicking on a gear. Night. Open a terminal, type something, and hit Control H. Wait, what? There's something on the screen? Yeah, because the game is obstructing it. Oh. Fiving and continuing. No, I'm probably doing something wrong. Like, what am I supposed to click? The gears. What is the gear? What is a gear? A gear is a cogwheel is a gear in my understanding. The thing I move. Oh wait, it does rotate. Oh, hold on, I know. Wait, no, I don't. I've been clicking on the wrong thing somehow. Or is it not registering some of my clicks? Huh? I've been clicking outside somehow. Glinda was defeated. Why did you defeat it? Okay, it would be much nicer if pop front plus push on each gear. Okay. So Nigel, it would be much nicer if this thing like automatically tracked your mouse. This. Instead of me having to hold down left click and just left click to rotate. Wait. So annoying. Wait. This. The brakes are going too much. Well, it shouldn't. It's about parentheses. Never show me a Lisp ever again. Ah, like, this game is made to make me hate Lisp even more. um, like, forget about Steel plugin system, that's a bad idea. Lisp? I don't know. It was made in ClojureScript. It's called parentheses drive me crazy. Maybe I'll learn to drive. Hey, I know how to drive. Well, kinda. I did drive a car, but like, I'm not great at it. Okay, please try 5. So it's meant to save my progress or something. Oh, continue your score. Wait, I can see my score. Oh my god, that overlaps. Nigel, that overlaps. Also, like, you do text here. Why can't you do same the text same way in here, so that it doesn't have to scale? Need to fix that. What do we need in here? I don't. Yeah. Oops. Can just do that, can't I? There's gonna be routes to the game. It's easier for you to write text. Is like field text so difficult? How many levels are there? Don't tell me it's procedurally generated. Yeah. I mean, I think I'm getting hang of it. But yeah, also the mouse, the fact that I can't move mouse past the edge of the screen, which is obvious, is annoying. So like, first person kind of controls would be nice for you. Spoiler, it's infinite. It will just crash at level 41. You crash the car. Yeah. Parentheses drive you insane so much, you just crash the car. And level 45. Should I add a timer? Yeah. I mean, there is a timer, you just don't see it. Or maybe that would be too... Like, it depends. I mean, I guess it would be common to add a timer. Eh. Add Easter eggs if I click on those buttons. Like, if I click here, if I click, I don't know, here. If I try to turn the wheel. I mean, actually, like, if I will just move mouse, it won't be possible. A timeout. A timeout? Wait, I can destroy the entire expression, wow. Although that made my life harder, but like, whatever. A minute per... Oh my god. So yeah, those are very invisible. Oh, especially this one. Why is this gray? Why are they gray? Why are they different shades of gray and then back to byte? That's the question. So you need that, that, then that, 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 that. Oops, it's an extra one. Ah. Gear without having to click will break too much of your code. What do you mean? Can I see the code? No, it's that hard. Like you just get rid of click event. You just do it on mouse move or something. Like you just get rid of click handling. This should simplify your code. And then you can use clicks for gear clicks. Oh, it's useless. Open. Close. I said close. Now open, close, open. Close, and close. Wait, like parentheses. Well, this game should be relatively easy, actually. Theoretically. But those controls drive me insane. Wait, how did I... Well, see, that's just... It bounced randomly. I didn't even intend to do that. But... yeah, it doesn't defeat the purpose. Or the idea. I'm just gonna open those and regret it. Actually, I can just do that. Then I do that. Double click. That. 5. Levels are stored in plain text. Yeah. Do you just take first 2 characters all the time? And like, what's the point of cheating when you can learn routes early on? Well, it's just when you play the game second time, you can speedrun it. It's because it's gonna be the same. Do I have to play through the 40 levels? Those are random. Oh, it's scores. What do you mean scores? Oh. Like... Oh yeah, it makes sense. How do I exit? It's just a pipe. Yeah, that makes sense. Local storage. Give me the source code. Here. Gear game. Yeah. Get rid of this. And letting me see the code. Just in case. In case what? Like... Yeah, anyway. So... Someone copies. So it would be much nicer if you could if you could move it without clicking, and if the mouse would wrap around the edges of the screen or something. I partially destroyed Arch, but like to code breaking. Like, no way it's that hard. How are you handling mouse moves? It's just mouse move event, isn't it? Like, there's nothing else. Stony stores. Just make it store mouse position when it's not clicked. Like, yeah. Oh. You have like, oh my god. Just make a second variable that stores mouse position when it's not clicked. Or like all the time. No way it's that hard. And just use that for steering wheel control. And make it like relative to Windows Center. And then also make it so that when you click anywhere, it rotates, because then like there's no point. Yeah, because like right now it's pretty annoying. I don't know why. Maybe that's just me hating to have to hold mouse. And like I'm also looking in the bottom right because that's where the thing is. Oh, and also brackets are very invisible. I don't know what would fix it. I guess an overlay, a shadow behind them, as in you just darken an area or something like that. I don't know. Or an outline. That's also important. Probably more important. And obviously the steering wheel thingy. Also, what's Control H? Oh, Control H does work as a backspace. Wow. Yes, they only have one pixel outline. So anyway, I also need control flow here. I could just make a jump if it's ACF. If it's not, I make a block and jump out of the block, but I do not have non-ACF part yet, so I'll just do it to do here. To do control flow. So CG assign red val into value match value red val CG assign okay, so it's just gonna be let some value some red val equals value red val else return okay, no, it should be an if let if let if matches then assign I'm also gonna swap those and change it to readvar for return variable. Now args. Oh wait, args are handled. So yeah, I can just get rid of that. and map cogen read rv into, and also where I can replace, I can just get rid of that field. Instead of this, I just field idx, and then I can get rid of that and that. So that's simpler. Clone. Well, yeah, just clone. Args, let args be this. So args first, then red var, and I'm also gonna put a event here. No, so I'll do that. So yeah. Close to light. Hold on, let me run this. Make sure it doesn't work. Where is it? In here. Sangri. I need to mute that. And I need to get rid of that. And that value, right? So that shouldn't really work. Except that I'm not doing it correctly. I mean, I'm just not. I just didn't get rid of old intrinsic stuff, so I don't need that. And I can also get rid of that because I am using IR for its intended purpose. Well, for what I have been made, for what I made it. I mean, like this stage. So this should generate a lot less C code. Add with overflow. var22 equals var3, var73 equals var0, var24 var25, var25 equals var22 plus var23, and var24 equals var25. Oh my god, those extra variables are... I'll need to do something with them. But that works. Do I commit? I guess. For IR cogen forwarding. That's a made up term. And let's actually play close to light. I hope it runs. And they didn't mess with Steam way too much. Category changed. Thank you. Was just about to say that. And we'll also turn off music. when I'm gonna rewrite Chatri, I might integrate a music player into it so that I don't have to start too many things at once. Pause music. We'll wait for this thing to run. PV is the best music player. Well, I'm using Q. Q is inside of a terminal. Because, like, yes, there was a reason for that. Now there really isn't. If MPV supports libraries, it would be nice. Oh, really? Wouldn't I mean, don't I have MPV? I do have MPV. It would pop up the screen. Can write plugins. I mean, yeah, that would be nice. But I will probably migrate it to Chatry anyway, cause like, yeah, why not? It would be nice to have control over that. So you can add a few songs or something. Nigel, you're gonna have to moderate that. Yeah. So like, add song to queue and then you just have to accept, allow it. It'll make web interface for you for that. And for some reason that started Steam. Well, whatever. Oh, it's running. Allow. Request 1928 19x 1998 98 98 98 931. I just had to read. It starts soon. No. On a snooze ad. Up a second monitor. But yeah. Here we go. I think it loaded. That should be better. Let me just do that. Resync my camera. So that should be better. Reset that. Yeah, now it should be better. Lag consumes better. Yeah. There we go. So yeah. I think I have. Yeah, I have beaten something on every level except for Close to Collapse. Let's do Far From Dark Heart. I just, or do we know, or do we warm up with something, or do we warm up with normal? Nah, what's the point? Hopefully my mouse works okay, because it's not really. I mean, I replaced batteries like recently, so it should be fine, right? Every good game needs a sensitivity slider. This one doesn't have one, unfortunately. I really wish I could change sensitivity in game, because I use different sensitivity for my desktop than what I would want for. Put the microphone off. How am I still alive, like, doing this? Not for a minute. So the microphone is not off. I need to pause! It's fine. I'll die now. But I don't remember where to go. Yeah. The keyboard, like, when I'm playing this game, the keyboard is, let's do another attempt. This. Absorbed. Wait, lag absorbed? Oh no. no ad break. No. Ah, come on. See, what's up with lag? Looks okay to me. Yeah, looks okay here. Like fine. Do I make use of blue circle? Telegraph? I don't know. You're asking me. Like, I'm just following the light and whatever my brain thinks. Like, I don't know how that's happening. So yeah, let's play this hard. And then I'll my brain doesn't know. And then we'll wait for an ad to pass. Oh my god. Was tough for me. Oh my god, how did I mess this up so quickly? It's so hard to think. Why? Why am I so bad at it apparently? Like all of a sudden I meant. Selecting only English words. Too fancy. Ah, nice. Went Blu-ray. Yeah, it's the game. Oh my god. 45 seconds. Let's play. Let's play this for the remaining 30 seconds. I have no idea where this is going. Anyway, ad break. Oh, 3 hours. We're in 3 hours, wow. I mean, my stream length average went up at least. I guess I'll play normal. Wait, while it's there, I might as well. While we're on the while we're in ads, I might as well. So this is loud. Back. Here we go. So yeah, ideally I'd fix that. Whoa. Ideally I'd fix it. And break in soon. And I also want to fix this to be a little nicer, but that I'll do that when I have C front end, which I might do next, honestly. Like a quick tiny C parser, teeny tiny, no error stuff, pretty much. You know what would be cool? A compile time C parser. Category changed. No. You're just an ad break. I will play more. Yeah. Turn change it back. And I can do that. Close to sound. Oh, oh, I just went back. Yep. Yeah, right. I need a better front end. Ideally, I'd need a compile time front end. Because, like, parsing intrinsics every time. Also, readme. This. I'll make Orco IR. Oops. ACF. This later. Something like that. Ad break's done. You didn't get an ad at all. Huh? Well, good for you, I guess. So yeah, what was I gonna Far From Dark normal? Probably my most favorite level. Like the first, the original. The OG. Before we even had levels. %. Like, how was I playing it? I was just. By the way, that's better than what I was on before, I think. I'm 21st! Holy! Oh, there's a lot of players. FCB. That's a lot of people. Yeah. I. So yeah, that's now better. I need to do harder. So yeah, there's that, and there's also so how I played this level. How I played this level. I was just thinking about why an ECS is worse than like regular approaches. I was just my brain was just focused on that, and my hand was moving automatically. That's how it happens. I was just thinking about Maiden Rust thingy, and then about Linksider, how it went from Bevy to Gang. Anyway, need to learn this level. Maybe I should, like, ideally I'd have a 0.5 speed. Maybe I should actually like use the proper no death mode to train, because that would make me train faster. Because training everything at the same time. Although would it? Like now I'm trying to... now I'm writing to my memory one thing at a time. One thing every playthrough. And just reinforcing what I learned. And there would be trying to learn everything at the same time, which would be harder. But yeah, I know how it would work. I guess for general idea you still want that. Why not? Like here I don't know where to go at all. Oh, my mouse teleported. That's unfair! That's unfair! 67% completion. That's 2/3. There's like 1/3 entire. Okay, no fail. Let's train. I'll at least see the entirety of this difficult level. Imagine I just beat it with no fail. With like actually without failing for real, as in the bar never goes down to 0. Probably no, but like, just imagine what's happening. Dying. Oh wait, there's no death, right? I forgot. Okay, so it's this part. This part is difficult because I do not know where to go. I'm actually not sad. It's too fast. Yes. I see. With no fail. Where does this put me in the leaderboard? No. My F is still higher. My F is still higher, but like yeah. This guy got a C with no fail, I guess that's similar. No fail, like, because of no fail, my accuracy decreases because I don't know later once. But yeah, let's do close to collapse. And close to collapse with fail. Because I am, this level, I will not know the entire song until I beat it. No. Any user submitted levels? I don't think there is a thing to submit levels yet, except for like actually sending them to NerdSoul. Like it happened to Close to Collapse, I guess. And it's a perfect open. I need to remember. I messed up somehow. Somewhere. Another. Actually, moving continuously is better than jumps. Because there are no timings. like time jumps, but we must stop at the start, but also not stop at the end. And that's 40%, by the way. That's like it was 40%. Third last try. VCS again. If only that worked here. I don't know the level. I mean, actually here it would help. But I mess up the timing. I mess up timing. This part, timing is just crucial. So I will do another one. So yeah, ECS. But for the rest of it, I just don't know the level, so ECS would help. I didn't learn it. I am not. You stop distracting me. I'm not reading chat because. It changes at the start. Play levels from somewhere in between. Yeah, but then like. I mean, yeah, I can, I guess. But yeah, nah. Kiwi didn't even beat this. What no. I mean, neither did I. I mean, the no fail thing. And what's the point of having leaderboard thing? Oh, like checking. Yeah, that would be useful. Anyway, I think that's enough. And oh, I also missed the pi duration of the stream. So sad. But yeah, I think I will continue with this next stream. So let's maybe maybe rate somebody. Let's see. Category changed. Yeah. GPU core something. No. There's no rate category. You don't need rate category. We can do it in software and game development. Yeah, really no compiler, guys. So Nigel, do you wanna rate somebody? Recommendations? The Ferrari. I mean, yeah. Even writing too much closure. Oh. Ah, parentheses. I'll next stream, Chatter is gonna have a feature. Every person who writes parentheses inside of parentheses is getting banned automatically. With the message, I hate Lisp, or Lisp is driving me insane, or what was it? Or parentheses are driving me insane. Help! Help! So you wanna rate somebody? You'll get Coder's Chatri banned first? What do you mean? No. Chatri is not gonna ban itself. And you're gonna be banned if you like, if you'll make a message. I mean, well, yeah, Chatri just, first of all, Chatri won't ban itself, and second of all, you're just gonna crash it. Nah. And you immediately thought of it. Ah, I thought like you would do plushie and the name with parentheses, but putting it in team makes a team command like not ban you, but it's gonna also ban every single person who has parentheses in their plushie names automatically before the stream even starts. So yeah, that's another detail. Anyway, let's trade somebody and we'll see. We'll see when I go live. When I go live, since school is over completely. Well, not quite. Technically, tomorrow is a day of school, but not quite. So yeah, I might stream more. Summer is approaching. I might stream even more. But yeah. And I also have my like graduation party or whatever you call it. A bit fancier coming in UI glitch. Of course, there is Twitch. I just want to open this. So yeah, let me just do that. And thank you all for joining. I'm saying this to two people, but whatever. So you probably all know about my Discord. No need to shut that out. Oh, by the way, Remy confirmed viewer SMP is coming soon. I already asked for a whitelist. So yeah, Minecraft content coming soon, and I also need to work on my Minecraft server software stuff. So more Minecraft content is coming. Well, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you all later. Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. I don't know. Bye. It's over.